Now that we have our super text editor installed, let's talk about HTML. Now, this HTML section, together with the CSS section, is designed to get you started for our big web page project that we will be working on later. Here, we will just cover some very basic things like the structure of any web page, how to use headings, paragraphs, images, and links, just to get you started. But let me first show you what we'll build in this section and in the next one, using HTML and CSS. It's a very simple fake blog post web page. But it looks pretty cool for your first web page, right? So, starting with HTML. But first of all, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So it's a markup language and not actually a programming language. HTML documents are described by HTML tags, like these three you see here. Each HTML tag describes a different type of content, such as headings, paragraphs, or links. We use tags to mark up the beginning and end of an element. Each element is written with an opening tag and a closing tag, with the content in between. So the closing tag is just the same as the opening tag, but with a slash. We will see all of that when we start the real coding. And web browsers, such as Google Chrome, can read HTML files we code and translate them into visible web pages. Alright, now that we know what HTML is, we can move on to some real coding in the next lecture.